Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a lag in Roblox Mobile and make it run a lot faster. Now let's first just hop out of Roblox on your iPhone or Android and open up the settings first. Let's do a couple of things in the settings and then a couple of things in that Roblox app. So let's scroll down from here and you're going to tap on General. And now from here, tap on iPhone storage. If you're on an Android, just go to the Roblox app within the settings. And now from here, let's find Roblox on this list. All we're going to do on here is offload the app and reinstall it. By going through this process, it force updates Roblox to the latest version, but most importantly, it clears out all the cache and temporary files, makes it run a lot faster. Now, after we've done that and it's loaded back up, let's open it up and I'll show you how to make it run faster in a game itself. So let's say I'm in Please Donate. Let's hit play here. If this is glitchy or slow, I can always speed it up within the settings of that game. So to get into the settings of that game, we're going to tap on the Roblox icon at the top left there. And now you can see it defaults to people at the top left, but we're going to go over to settings instead. Within settings, all we need to do is scroll down. You'll be able to see two things that we're going to change. One is graphics mode and quality, and the other one is reduce motion. So you can see graphics mode is set to automatic. If this is set to manual and it's bumped all the way up, this will slow down your iPhone or Android a ton. So either switch it to manual and bump the graphics quality all the way down until you don't see a lag and it runs super fast, or you can choose to switch it to automatic and see how it does with that. Now, the next thing we're going to do is go to reduce motion. You can see stop or reduce motion effects. Just by turning this on, it will give a performance boost on your Roblox game and it'll run a lot smoother. By doing both of these things, you should be able to navigate around Roblox with any bugs or glitches or lag. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.